Coinbase is currently one of the most popular online platforms in the world for buying and selling Bitcoin. In addition to Bitcoin, Coinbase also supports Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum, three of the other most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. Coinbase functions as an online wallet service for these cryptocurrencies and makes the process of selling Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin extremely simple. The Coinbase platform boasts more than 9 million users across 30 different countries and is backed up by extremely high security standards and strong reliability. Coinbase places a strong emphasis on building a safe and secure product that's extremely easy for beginners to use. The history of Coinbase. Coinbase was founded in 2012 by partners Brian Armstrong and Fred Ersham. The Coinbase platform was one of the first cryptocurrency trading platforms that achieved funding from several Wall Street companies, which was wholly unique at the time of the platform's launch. Today, Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency trading platform online and was the first crypto exchange to achieve a market value of more than $1 billion. Coinbase began in the United States and was launched from a San Francisco, California-based headquarters. The Coinbase company now has expanded globally and as a result now offers a good trading volume for both euros and pounds. This ultimately contributes to a lower spread and lower fees, allowing Coinbase to offer a competitive trade rate from BTC to USD. Coinbase Online Wallet. The Coinbase Online Wallet is arguably the most secure and safest wallets online for trading Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin. According to both Coinbase and independent third-party reports, more than 98% of all cryptocurrencies held by Coinbase are managed in cold storage. Each user's private key is broken down into several different parts and stored in different locations over offline hard drives and backups. Coinbase users are also able to create two other types of wallets. These wallets, called the Vault and the Multi-Signature Wallet, offer unique and powerful advantages over standard wallets. Multi-signature wallets require two different email addresses and require two different email addresses to approve withdrawals or transfers. Once a withdrawal request is signed, it takes 40 hours to complete, in which time the transaction can be canceled. All of the login details used by Coinbase customers to access their accounts are hashed and encrypted on the Coinbase servers. This alone, however, doesn't offer an extremely high level of security. Keeping your password safe is critical in the world of cryptocurrency, so it's best to take advantage of the Coinbase two-factor authentication option for both login and withdrawal. How easy is it to get started? Getting up and running with Coinbase is very simple. When an account is set up, you are given basic access to the wallet system to send and receive Bitcoin. From here, you can then go through a quick verification to unlock the ability to both buy and sell Bitcoin via linked bank accounts, which can be quickly verified through the site's secure verification system. For members in the United States, after attaching a credit card to your account and verifying all information needed to make purchases, it's possible to do an instant buy. In this case, the coins are instantly transferred to your account without waiting for the ACH to complete. Luckily, for those that plan to buy and sell somewhat frequently, Coinbase offers a USD wallet, which lets you store cash in the account instead of always having it transferred back to your bank. Buys and sells using this system are also instant and are not reliant upon having a credit card or worrying about bank transfers. The Coinbase smartphone app offers two-factor authentication and allows users to set up a PIN for additional security. The app also offers a shutdown function should a smartphone be lost or stolen. Coinbase Security. Coinbase is backed by trusted investors and is known as the only cryptocurrency trading platforms that is backed by venture capital from well-known investment banks and other financial institutions. High-level financial backing means high-level financial security, and for this reason, Coinbase has become one of the most well-trusted cryptocurrency trading platforms online. In the United States, Coinbase is covered by FDIC insurance that provides up to $250,000 US. This insurance applies only to the funds in USD-based Coinbase wallets and is only available to residents of the United States. Coinbase is currently licensed in 38 states in the United States of America and holds a money transmitter license in states where it is required. Coinbase is also supported by continuous audits of their overall financial operations, reserve management practices, and comprehensive background checks on all management staff members. Fees and limits. Let's break down how the fees work while using Coinbase. US-based users. Coinbase users based in the United States are able to fund their accounts with a bank transfer, which typically takes between 5 and 7 days to complete. Funding a Coinbase account with bank transfer is free, but Coinbase will charge a 1.49% fee when purchases are made. It is possible to purchase Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies on Coinbase directly with a credit or debit card, but this will incur a 3.99% fee. Purchase limit also depends on the verification stage of a user. Fully verified accounts are able to buy and sell up to $50,000 worth of Bitcoin daily. Europe-based users. European Coinbase customers are able to purchase cryptocurrency with SEPA bank transfers, which typically take 1 to 3 business days. Similarly to US-based bank transfers, Coinbase charges a 1.49% fee on purchases. The purchase cost from debit or credit cards in Europe is the same as it is in the United States, a 3.99% fee. Withdrawal limits for fully verified customers in Europe are set at €30,000, which is also the maximum storage value in any given Europe-based account. Fees for sending coins user to user. Sending Bitcoin to another user or merchant is free in most cases, any transaction above 0.001 Bitcoin. Coinbase employs an email address identity system that allows users of the service to transfer Bitcoin of any amount to one another instantly off the blockchain, absolutely free, including transfers of less than 0.001 Bitcoin. Account privacy. Coinbase is focused on providing users with an extremely stable, safe, and reliable platform. Coinbase follows international financial practices as KYC or Know Your Customer practices and anti-money laundering or AML practices. This means that no user on the Coinbase platform is anonymous. As Coinbase is based in the United States, it must adhere to the letter of U.S. law, working hand in hand with U.S.-based regulators to ensure the product is delivered safe for all users. While this is positive for the overall adoption rate of cryptocurrency in society, it's somewhat counterproductive to the core axiom of cryptocurrency itself. Customer support. The cryptocurrency exchange environment is currently in dire need of a customer service overhaul, to which Coinbase has responded promptly and efficiently. In the early days of operation, Coinbase suffered from a number of criticisms regarding its customer service, and as a result has opened a dedicated customer service line. It can be difficult for some cryptocurrency platforms to keep up with the ever-increasing demand for cryptocurrency. In one day, Coinbase experiences up to 40,000 new signups. In response to this increasing demand, Coinbase has been forced to massively upscale their customer service team with a lot more staff.